Guru Purnima was yesterday. Jupiter and Sun together, once a year. Powerful day, powerful night. But we are talking about Saturn and Sun. Sun first. A lot of depression, a lot of disease can be healed by being in touch with the Sun. Asking the Sun God, talking to the Sun God. Many things connected with the Sun. Allowing the Sun touching your body without any clothes, walking barefoot. Trust me, it will help you with depression, all this kind of stuff. But Saturn, I have told you on March 29, 2025, this year, that Saturn entered to Pisces zodiac sign. Water, last sign of the zodiac bird. And in next few days, on July 13, Saturn is going to be retrograde. So like I told you before, 1,000 days will be hard. So we just survived 100,000 years will be hard. We just survived maybe 100 days. So many more to come. Like you see Texas last few days, river flowing, or Mexico, flood, 20 feet in 30 minutes. I have told you, because Saturn is the Pisces water sign, there will be event on the water, on the sea, bioweapon, corona with water element, flood, tsunami. Can you imagine tsunami 50 feet or 100 feet? You cannot imagine. But it happened in the past. Where is the previous civilization? Why some continents are down, another are up? It is end of the cycle. So what to do? Practice sadhana, practice spirituality, religion, praying, anything good. Whatever your God is, do spiritual job. It will help. If not, you will pay. Everyone will pay, because aspects of from the moon or ascendant is different, because sadhana is happening for some people. But you have to practice doing spirituality. Om Namah Shivaya.